Good morning. Today is travel day. We're leaving the casino and we are headed to Quartzsite. Finally. Yeah, we've been here too long, but I'm gonna run in and cash my little ticket in, and then we're gonna get on the road. Well, we're gonna stop and eat at Panda and do a Walmart pickup, and then we'll be on the road. We're off. We be off. So this is so cool. This Walmart now that we come to all the time has a gas station and a little Walmart convenient store. Of course, it cut down on a lot of the parking for us RVs because I used to park out here, but very cool because I needed gas and might as well get it here. So I'm filling up with diesel, not gas. It's $3.55, I think, is what I saw, the diesel here. So I'm gonna finish filling up with gas and then go in, and I need Sammy food. So I'm not doing a Walmart pickup because all I needed was Sammy food and wine. So, and then this morning I was writing stuff down that I needed not to forget. Sammy food, peas and carrots, and then next thing you know, I got a list. There's a train. We are doing a detour. Yes, we are. All the years that I've been coming to Yuma, I've wanted to stop at the date farm and have a date shake. Well, we're gonna stop at the date farm today. I'm not having a date shake because I just ate. I ate and I ate no date. But I will know where it is, and then I can stop by here and get a date shake if I want. But they do also sell, I'm thinking, jams and stuff like that. So I guess we will see what they have. Look at all the date trees. Palm trees, date trees. Oh, look at all the trees. How cool is this? Martha's Garden. It's a big garden. They're pretty.
They're real?
Yeah.
Dang.
That's what you ride on.
Then we'll come back and do the tour.
Yeah, we're not going to do the tour today.
Gosh, these flowers.
But
oh my goodness.
we'll come back. We're just shopping today.
What do you think these flowers are?
There's some kind of sunflower, but I'm not sure what. Smells good in here. Date lady, chocolate spread, date sugar, the hot date. Sweet chili sauce. Oh, that sounds good. Date sugar. Yeah. What is this? Oh, sea salt. I'm excited to do the tour, but we're not going to do it today. We're going to have to come back and do it again.
Yeah, if you didn't want to. Oh, sorry.
You're all right.
You were filming?
I was just going to say they've got a big place where you can sit down and eat. I don't know what they serve, but I guess we'll look and see. Let's pick out some dates. Okay.
These are.
Coffee and samples. These are samples of different dates, I guess. Okay. Dates.
Oh wait, I gotta get it. You video you and I'll video you. We'll just video you.
My first date shake.
Your first date shake.
Why does it have pecans or something in it? It has nuts in it.
And there is Jenna's review.
Yeah.
I'm going to love it. That's all I can say.
I don't know what's in it.
Your first day at the date farm.
Some bougainvilleas. Aren't they pretty? They're pretty. The dripping palm tree.
And the horse.
Oh, look at the horse. Oh, it's made out of, yeah, date trees.
Why are you on the dashboard behind your seat?
He said, better to see you with.
How did you even do that? Oh my gosh, Tasmaniac. Where are you driving to?
He's like, come on, let's go.
Where are you going?
He's like, this isn't funny. Well, that was fun. Getting to see the place, the date farm place. I tasted Deborah's shake. I'm just too full to even think about a shake or anything for that matter. I did buy some dates, just a small container. So that'll be some of my fruit that I'll eat through the next couple of weeks. Yeah, I'll have to come back here and buy some, especially before I leave and head back to New Mexico, because I love to put dates in my smoothies. So, yeah. Can you freeze them? Can you freeze dates? I don't know, but anyway, that was fun. Little detour. Now we're headed to Quartzsite. We might get there before dark. No, it's only 1:48, but it does get dark here early. I still can't get used to this time change. All right, let's hit the road. Are you home? Yeah, immediately. We hadn't even gotten parked good. And she says, I'm home. It feels so good on my back. I love it on my back. Yep. You always buy lots of baby wipes when you come to the desert. Oh, goodness. You home? She says, there's my home.
She's happy.
You happy.
Girl. Happy girl.
Are you home?
Happy girl.
Are you happy, girl?
I know.
Oh, goodness. Go. Go. She says, do you know? Do you know what's in there? Yeah, I know.
She's going to get you, Mama.
You are. You're going to tie me up.
Where are you going, Sandy? What you want? What's up? Ian, you going to keep talking? He usually does. No? You done talking? That's all the sass you had in you? I'm surprised.
Are you done?
Did she find the stuff? Your sister found where we hid the treats, didn't she? Oh no.
Right
Did I
there?
say the word?
Is that them?
Y'all don't need 5 million.
You don't
You just had 5,000.
tell. Oh, now you have something to say. Sit.
They're quite sassy after a day of driving, aren't they? Oh, you sweet girl.
Okay, we will. See what she's doing.
W.
Yeah.